Der hat sein Auto aber maximal 40 Meter.
Cars. Walking crowds. Comics in. Is that what that says? Akihabara. I just realized none of the streets have street names. What the hell? Is it like that everywhere?
Ja, weil wir auseinander gehen.
Alexander hat geschrieben, JJ Kane und Fies oder im Arab.
Oh my god. I hate that. Just exits that all the time. Alright, let's go. Basically, we'll just keep walking this way. Alright. We'll keep walking through Akihabara, check it out a little bit, see what's going on. See all the women on the side here? Don't look at them. Don't look at them in the face. They're touts. You avoid them. No matter how goddamn good they are. See this guy? He fucked up. He fucked up already. Don't. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yeah, don't go with them. It looks like a lot of stores are closing. And it's only... Oh my god, it's 8:30. Okay. Guessing now it's going to become all nightlife and parties and getting drunk. Well, what can you do? So we got 3 more pearl items, so that's 4 in total. I think that's enough. And then might go pearl opening later, but we'll see what happens. It's a giant turbo baba.
Welcome in this magical place. We hope this super
Oh, me dreaming. These girls ain't trying hard though, which is kind of funny. They're just like waving their things, pretending like they care. Quite funny. Like I feel like they're, I mean it's a job to them obviously, but they're so jaded, they just don't give a fuck. It's not like they're, I mean they probably will get fired if they do or don't do something, but who's gonna really catch them, you know? Who's gonna go rat them out? Their boss ain't gonna be walking around. Their boss is the inside man in the building, because they're usually the ones running the bar or whatever. The galleon. Let's see, there's actually a last day for that. Look at that. Look at the elevators. They have the escalators. Alright, so where am I going? Dude, looked like it was from Orange Club. Need to go this way. I just realized there's a Namco here.
Oh, wow!
Okay, claw machine, music, capsule game, card game. That was weird. Okay. I did get some awesome Tauru Draga stuff. I'm a huge, like, Ikaru Draga fan since I was a kid. I played it on the PS1, like the Namco collection. So when I found they actually had like the original game cartridge for it's like 3,300 yen from the 80s, I was like, oh, you're mine. Cool. I also found a pin and some stickers. Is it this building? What's this building? It looks like it's this building, but I don't think it is what it's supposed to. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm gonna check it out. I gotta turn you off. Bye.